In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an X profile link. If you've ever wanted to point someone directly to a profile on X, it's actually very simple, and once you know where to look, you can do it in just a few seconds. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what you'll see, and share a few helpful tips so your link works every time. First, open X in a web browser. This can be on a computer or on your phone's mobile browser. Using a browser is important because you'll be copying the link from the address bar at the top. If you're not already signed in, that's fine. You can still view many public profiles. If you are signed in, great. Everything works the same way. Next, go to the profile page you want to share. If it's your own profile, click or tap your profile picture and choose your profile from the menu, or simply navigate to x.com and find your handle. If you're sharing someone else's profile, use the search bar on X to find their account. Make sure you land on their profile page itself, not on a single post or a notification screen. You'll know you're on the right page if you see their bio, profile picture, header image, and timeline of posts all in one place. Now, look at your browser's address bar. The URL here is the direct link to that profile. It will typically look like https://x.com username, where username matches the account's handle. If you see extra text or parameters after the username, don't worry. Most of the time, the clean format still works perfectly. Highlight the full URL in the address bar and copy it, either with a right-click and copy or by using your keyboard shortcut. Before you share it, it can be helpful to paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens the same profile. This quick check ensures you didn't accidentally copy a link to a specific post or settings page. Also remember that if a profile is protected, only approved followers will be able to view it, even with the link. Finally, paste the link wherever you want to share it. You can drop it into a message, an email, a document, or your group chat. Many platforms will automatically create a preview with the profile name and picture, but even if they don't, the link will still take people straight to the right page. That's it. Open X in a browser, go to the profile page, copy the URL from the address bar, and share it anywhere. Simple, reliable, and done in moments.